Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change the font style in DuckduckGo application on an Android device. Well, knowing how to change the font style in the DuckduckGo application can help personalize your browsing experience and make it more visually appealing. Whether you prefer a clean and modern font or a more classic and elegant one, being able to customize the font styles allows you to tailor the application appearance to your taste and preferences. So let's go to the tutorial. Okay, firstly, open the DuckduckGo application on your device. Well, and then here, please open the website you want to browse. After that, to know how to change the font style, look for this icon and tap on it. Okay, and then here, click the down arrow next to the font option, and then you can select one of several available options. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to change the font style in the DuckduckGo application on an Android device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.